Essay Writing Help in Holland is a comprehensive and reliable help offered by TechieShubhdeep, a reputable company based in Holland. With a commitment to academic excellence and customer satisfaction, TechieShubhdeep provides top-notch assistance to students seeking guidance in their essay writing endeavors. Our team of highly skilled and experienced writers understands the challenges faced by students when it comes to crafting well-researched and compelling essays. Whether it's a high school assignment or a complex college paper, we are equipped to handle diverse topics and subjects with ease. At TechieShubhdeep, we believe in delivering custom-tailored essays that meet the unique requirements of each student. Our writers conduct thorough research, gather relevant information, and employ their expertise to create high-quality and original content. They are well-versed in different citation styles and formatting guidelines, ensuring that every essay adheres to academic standards. Moreover, we prioritize timely delivery and understand the importance of meeting deadlines. Our efficient workflow and dedicated team enable us to complete and deliver essays within the specified time frame, allowing students to submit their assignments promptly. For students in Holland, TechieShubhdeep is a reliable source of essay writing assistance. We value open communication and provide a user-friendly platform for students to interact with our team. Whether you have questions, additional instructions, or need updates on the progress of your essay, our friendly customer support is available to address your concerns. To avail our essay writing help in Holland, contact TechieShubhdeep at +9 18305233223 or visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in. You can also reach us via email at info@techiesgroup.co.in. Trust us to provide you with top quality essays that will elevate your academic performance.